Why is crypto up today? July 14, 2025. Bitcoin. Cryptocurrency. Market. This isn't a frenzied boom with no foundation. Instead, this is a measured ascent backed up by large institutional players with the long term in mind, says Xapo Bank CEO Seamus Rocca. Journalist. Seed Fadilpašić. Journalist. Seed Fadilpašić. About author. Seed specializes in writing factual and informative articles to help the public navigate the ever-changing world of crypto. He has extensive experience in the blockchain industry where he has served. Author profile. Share. Copied. Last updated 1 hour ago. Why Trust Cryptonews? Cryptonews has covered the cryptocurrency industry topics since 2017, aiming to provide informative insights to our readers. Our journalists and analysts have extensive experience in market analysis and blockchain technologies. We strive to maintain high editorial standards focusing on factual accuracy and balanced reporting across all areas from cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects to industry events, products, and technological developments. Our ongoing presence in the industry reflects our commitment to delivering relevant information in the evolving world of digital assets. Read more about Cryptonews. The crypto market is up today for the third day in a row. 98 of the top 100 coins per market cap have appreciated over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has decreased by 0.3% to $3.88 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $172 billion. TLDR. The crypto market stands firmly in the green zone. BTC recorded a new ETH surpassing $120,000. ETH moved above the $3,000 mark and is holding there. Market sentiment climbed within the greed zone. Both US BTC and ETH spot ETFs recorded significant positive flows. Foundations remain strong and there's room for further growth. The market appears to be positioning for a major upward leg. Crypto winners and losers. The crypto market continues the green streak with all top 10 coins per market cap rising over the past days. Bitcoin, BTC, has kept increasing as well. Not only did it hit another all-time high, but it has surpassed the $120,000 level. The coin jumped another 3.7% in a day, currently trading at $122,273. At the same time, Ethereum ETH rose by 2.4% and above the $3,000 mark. It's currently changing hands at $3,028. The category's best performer is XRP. It's up 5.3% to the price of $2.94. Doge is the second highest gainer. It appreciated 4.3% to $0.2075. Looking at the top 100 coins, we find that only 2 are red. However, both fell by less than 0.3%, meaning that they are practically unchanged. These are Gate, GT, and Leo token, LEO, now trading at $15.91 and $9. On the other hand, 6 coins saw double-digit increases and 2 of these are up above 20%. Pudgy Penguins, Pengu, appreciated 28% to $0.02868. Also, Algorand, ALGO, is up 21.7%, trading at $0.2847. The crypto market has risen on the continued and rising institutional interest and favorable regulatory developments globally. Notably, Crypto Week in the U.S. begins today, during which lawmakers in the House of Representatives will review 3 major crypto bills. Interestingly, Bitcoin's creator Satoshi Nakamoto is now the 11th richest person as Bitcoin surged past $120,000. There's still room to run. Seamus Rocca, CEO of Xapo Bank, commented on Bitcoin's climb to a new it's a rally increasingly defined by institutional conviction, moving beyond retail speculation. He says, "This isn't a frenzied boom with no foundation. Instead, this is a measured ascent backed up by large institutional players with the long term in mind. The fundamentals that have supported BTC's role as a hedge remain strong, with monetary policy still tight and geopolitical tensions simmering. Should rate pressures ease or policy pivots emerge, there's still room to run. But for now, the momentum we've seen over the last 48 hours is clear. It's also another sign that Bitcoin isn't just growing in value, but also as a genuine asset class that is rivaling traditional finance," says Rocca. Moreover, Nick Forster, founder at decentralized on-chain options platform Derive.xyz, says that there is a 10% chance BTC will hit $150,000 by September 26 and an 11% chance it will surpass $180,000 by December 26. Also, there's a 20% chance that ETH will hit $3,600 by September 26th. Between the fiscal backdrop, the rate outlook, and resurgent ETF flows, the market appears to be positioning for a major upward leg, Forrester says. While volatility remains moderate compared to 2020 to 21, directional conviction is growing, especially in ETH. We're watching closely for confirmation of this trend over the coming week. Additionally, crypto exchange VALAR co-founder and CEO Farzam Asani commented that BTC's all-time highs are exciting, but what's truly transformative is its promise for humanity, a borderless, politically neutral money that restores financial sovereignty to individuals. Bitcoin is a potential global reserve currency, free from the manipulation we've seen throughout monetary history. As this vision unfolds, Bitcoin's price will appreciate far beyond current levels, though with drawdowns along the way, Asani argues. Levels and events to watch next. At the time of writing, BTC trades at $122,273. The coin was trading around $118,015 for the first time of the day, with the intraday low of $117,790. It initially rose gradually, then jumped from $118,993 to the current price. Along the way, it hit a fresh all-time high of $122,369. Traders and analysts are now looking at the $125,000 mark. Furthermore, Bitcoin may reach the $135,000 mark by the end of summer, per Russian crypto industry experts. Yen Pinchuk, the deputy head of exchange operations at the crypto exchange Whitebird, said Bitcoin could reach levels of between $130,000 and $150,000 by the end of the year. But he warned that given the close correlation of Bitcoin with the tech sector, a U.S. stock market correction will likely cause the crypto market to sag temporarily. Moreover, Ethereum is currently trading at $3,028. It managed to not only surpass the $3,000 mark again, but hold it as well. The price was nearing the $3,000 level for a while today, but could not reach it. After dropping to $2,955, it surged to the intraday high of $3,052. Meanwhile, the crypto market sentiment also surged and sits comfortably in greed territory. The Fear and Greed Index rose from 67 yesterday to 70 today. This is the highest it's been in more than a month. This level signals caution to investors, but also potential overconfidence, which may consequently lead to inflated prices. Furthermore, on July 11th, the U.S. BTC Spot Exchange Traded Funds, ETFs, recorded another significant positive flow for the seventh day in a row. They saw inflows of $1.03 billion following $1.18 billion. BlackRock's share is the highest by far, $953.52 million. It's followed ARK and 21 shares $23.51 million. Also, US ETH ETFs saw inflows for 6 days in a row with $204.82 million on Friday. Again, BlackRock recorded the majority of this amount, $137.08 million. Grayscale follows with $25.51 million. Meanwhile, Metaplanet, one of the top 5 corporate Bitcoin holders, has purchased an additional 797 Bitcoin for approximately $93.6 million for an average price of around $117,451. Additionally, SharpLink Gaming increased its Ethereum holdings with a fresh acquisition valued at nearly $49 million. Market insiders estimate that the company now holds around 270,000 ETH. Also, the Czech National Bank, CNB, has expanded its cryptocurrency exposure, buying its first Coinbase shares. It purchased $18.1 million worth of them during the second quarter of 2025. Quick FAQ. Why did crypto move with stocks today? The crypto market continued surging over the weekend and the past 24 hours. The U.S. stock market dropped on the last day they were open. On Friday, the S&P 500 is down by 0.33%, the Nasdaq 100 fell by 0.21%, and the Dow Jones Industrial Average decreased by 0.63%. We'll have fresh results when the markets open today. The stocks fell, some retreating from their ADHs following the latest tariff-related threats from U.S. President Donald Trump. Is this rally sustainable? Analysts argue that the rally is sustainable and that the bull market will continue. The prices are likely to increase further this year. However, minor pullbacks and larger corrections are typical. They are not only possible but likely to occur in the short term. You may also like Live Crypto News today, latest updates for July 14, 2025. The crypto market is up today for the third day in a row. 98 of the top 100 coins per market cap have appreciated over the past 24 hours. At the same time, the cryptocurrency market capitalization has decreased by 0.3% to $3.88 trillion. The total crypto trading volume is at $172 billion. Crypto winners and losers. The crypto market continues the green streak with all top 10 coins per market cap rising over the past days. Bitcoin, BTC, has kept increasing as well. Not only did it. Follow us on Google News. Trending news. Recommended popular crypto topics price predictions. How Tether co-founder William Quigley views crypto regulations in Trump's second term. Trump appoints PayPal veteran David Sacks as White House AI and crypto czar. Google's Gemini AI predicts the price of XRP, Picoin and Cardano by the end of 2025. ChatGPT predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Picoin by the end of 2025. XRP price prediction. Investors on high alert for July 14, 2025. What's next for XRP? Press releases. China's DeepSeek AI predicts the price of XRP, Solana and Shiba Inu by the end of 2025. Press releases. Crypto price prediction today, July 11th. XRP, Picoin, Dogecoin. Price analysis. Picoin price prediction, crashing toward all-time low. Is PI going to $0? 2 days ago. By Anas Hassan. Best crypto to buy now in July 2025, top crypto to invest in. 4 days ago. By Alan Draper. Best new cryptocurrencies to invest in July 11, 2025. 2 days ago. By NSS Tavares. 13 best crypto pre-sales to invest in 2025, pre-sale crypto list. 3 days ago. By Alan Draper. 11 new and upcoming Coinbase listings in July 2025. 5 days ago. By Elijah Rankovic. 15 new and upcoming Binance listings in 2025. 4 days ago. By Elijah Rankovic. What is the next crypto to explode in 2025? 3 days ago. By Elijah Rankovic. Bitcoin, BTC, price prediction 2025 to 2030. 5 hours ago. By Leon Waters. Ripple, XRP, price prediction 2025, 2026 to 2030. July 5, 2025. By Eric Huffman. Ethereum price prediction 2025 to 2030. Will ETH bounce back? April 2, 2025. By Ben Beto.